myself, Dr. Vijay Maknikar, Assistant Professor in Law, Sri Shivaji Law College, Parvani, and I welcome all of you in this law lecture series. Now we'll see very important definition, the concept of court under the Indian Evidence Act. For your understanding, I have designed the definition that is given under Indian Evidence Act in two parts. What includes is a court, and under the concept of court, what is not included. So firstly, we'll see court includes all the judges and magistrates. All the judges and magistrates are considered as court for the purpose of Indian Evidence Act. Secondly, there are certain persons, certain categories of persons who are legally authorized to take evidence. Such persons are also called as court, and they are included within the meaning of court as far as the Indian Evidence Act is concerned. Second thing, which conveys us what is not included under the concept of court is, so here is the example which can be seen in the picture. So the person who are sitting on the bench are certainly either, if it is a matter of a civil matter, they are the judges, and if it is criminal matter, they are the magistrates, and certainly they are considered as court as far as the Indian Evidence Act is concerned. Friends, now we'll see what is not included under the definition of courts. Arbitrators. Arbitrators are not considered as within the meaning of court. They are not considered as court as far as the definition given under the Indian Evidence Act is concerned. मित्रों, अब इन दोनों चीजों से हमें ये ज्ञात होता है कि कोर्ट माने सभी जजेस और मैजिस्ट्रेट, ये पहली कैटेगरी के लोग हैं जिन्हें कोर्ट समझा जाता है इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट के लिए. दूसरी चीज, ऑल सच पर्सन्स हु आर लीगली अथोराइज्ड टू टेक एविडेंस. ऐसी कैटेगरी के लोग, व्यक्ति जिनको साक्ष्य लेने की अधिकार प्राप्त होता है, दे आर ऑथराइज्ड, लीगली ऑथराइज्ड टू टेक द एविडेंस. ऐसे लोगों को भी हम कोर्ट के डेफिनेशन में इंक्लूड करते हैं. दूसरी चीज, कोर्ट में किस प्रकार के लोगों का, व्यक्तियों का समावेश नहीं होता, वो है आर्बिट्रेटर्स. दैट मीन्स द आर्बिट्रेशन इज नॉट गवर्न बाय इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट.